I think this is a very successful course. The students had to learn to overcome problems, to cope with problems. They learned how to do that, but they also had to improvise because this is the first course of this kind we've ever made. And I think altogether, students learned a lot what to do in unforeseen situations, how to analyze statistical problems and present them to an audience. We would like to extend this course to future semesters, but this depends a lot on the financing and of course also on the political situation, on the war situation in Ukraine. But our medium-term plan is that cooperation between Kherson State Agrarian and Economic University on the one hand and Kiel University on the other hand needs to continue, and both sides are determined to do that. So we hope very much that we are able to do this or similar seminars and courses in the future.
Was the course successful? In my opinion, yes, very. Although we did face a lot of challenges. So, first of all, what was really surprising is how fast the students connected, and that we didn't have to supervise anything. So they basically took over, and I think the Ukrainian students really felt at home, which is actually the most important thing. So the Ukrainian students are very, very happy to be here and very excited to see everything, but are still very focused on the project, very motivated. So yeah, the work is going on, and it's great. And what was challenging is, I think the language barrier is still a thing. So cannot stress enough how important it is to learn English nowadays. Also, I think it remains challenging to schedule everything because we have such big differences in semester times in Ukraine and in Germany. But I think we manage pretty well, and we can learn from that for the next future courses like that. So as for the upcoming semesters, well, that's a more difficult question because this kind of course, it's very fulfilling, it's very interesting, and I think fruitful also for students, but it's a lot of work on our part. And we don't know how long we will have the financing from the project, or even if we can do it ourselves. But I think digital technologies allow us to do something like that, even if in a hybrid format where people can still communicate and learn from each other. I would really love to offer such courses more often. I think this applied format is also beneficial for everybody. So I'm really thinking of doing it again next summer, but maybe not with that many celebrations and invitations, but just like a purely academic sense, yeah.
The course was highly successful. Students demonstrated a clear understanding of the material and provided positive feedback. They acquired the necessary modern knowledge. The project forced friendships between students of Kiel University and Kherson State Agrarian and Economic University, and provided a valuable experience for the lecturers. These students are expected to become future leaders in various fields, enhancing international cooperation between Germany and Ukraine. I am sure the project will bring significant benefits to both countries in the future. Academic mobility is crucial for Ukrainian students due to several main reasons. One of them enhanced education quality. Studying at a leading institution like Kiel University improves the quality of education through access to advanced teaching methods. Broadening horizons, experiencing different cultures and teaching methods builds tolerance, creativity and critical thinking. It's also professional development. International experience is highly valued in the job market, providing skills in foreign languages, multicultural teamwork and adaptability. But main reason, in my view, it's personal growth. Students become more independent, responsible and effective in problem solving and communication. I extend my gratitude to Kiel University for the opportunity to participate in this project. Their hospitality and quality education provide to Kherson students. I also thank to administration of Kherson State Agrarian and Economic University for their support to international projects and openings to innovative collaborations.